Is it the right time to buy or sell Shopify stock? Let's dive deep into Shopify in this video, where we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified Shopify as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 1.60. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 23.13% since we first recommended Shopify as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.29% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect the stock to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $73.86, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 6.52% change over the next 3 months. The stock's return during this period could range between -30.58% and 7.03%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 51.85% change over the next year. This means the stock's return could range between 0.228% and 52.64%. So, after a year, the stock's price could range between $73.68 and $112.20. Our latest update for Shopify brings exciting news: a stronger technical forecast for Shopify's stock price after Tuesday's trading. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, the Shopify stock price experienced a slight decrease of 0.379%, dropping from $73.79 to $73.51. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.8%, reaching a low of $72.20 and a high of $74.22. It's worth noting that the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, displaying a remarkable growth of 17.92% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $862.35 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for Shopify stock was $74.47, whereas the lowest price was $32.35. At present, the stock price stands at 1.29% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a decrease of 96 cents. Furthermore, it is 95.83% below the all-time high, which occurred on November 19, 2021. On that memorable day, the stock price soared to $1,762.92. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Shopify an underweight grade with a downgrade action. The day before, on Monday, November 27, 2023, RBC Capital gave Shopify an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, November 27, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Shopify an outperform grade with a hold action. Going back a bit further, on Friday, November 3, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Shopify an equal weight grade with a hold action. And finally, on Monday, October 16, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Shopify an overweight grade with an initialize action. Analysts have given Shopify stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Shopify. The Shopify stock shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, the stock will find support at $70.88 and $58.63. However, a breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also emerged, which might influence the near short-term development. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.379% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. On the last trading day, volume decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is giving a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 17 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Shopify. When it comes to the downside, there are a couple of support levels to keep an eye on. The first one is just below today's level, at $66.49. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next level at $61.47. It's important to note that testing a support level carries a natural risk, as a break below it could lead to further downward movement. In the case of Shopify, if $66.49 support is breached, the next support levels to watch are $61.47 and $59.70. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Shopify is known for its volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements during the day. In fact, its volatility is currently considered very high risk. Additionally, the Bollinger Band suggests a wide prediction interval. Looking at recent data, Shopify has shown a daily average volatility of 3.01% over the past week. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.02 between its high and low, representing a 2.8% fluctuation. These numbers give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility and the potential for price swings. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Shopify, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Established companies may experience occasional downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $0.240. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Shopify. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $73.79. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, Shopify's first support level can be found at $66.49. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as one might anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. The overall consensus rating for Shopify, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Shopify Strategic Holdings 3 LLC is responsible for the 5 most recent insider trades. They bought and sold a total of 17,809,464 shares or options in the company. By analyzing the 7 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a positive insider power with a ratio of 71.118. In total, insiders have purchased 38,718,369 shares and sold 4,280,175 shares in the last 7 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $70.90, which is a decrease of 3.54%. This particular stock exhibits significant daily movements, resulting in a high level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 80, further increasing the risk associated with this stock. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is it a good time to invest in Shopify stock? Based on our analysis, we believe that there is a buying opportunity for Shopify stock in the short term. The overall trend is positive, and several short-term signals indicate potential growth. Therefore, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate rating to a buy candidate. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected that the current price may be overvalued, based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate that Shopify stock will open with a slight decline of $0.200 and start trading at $73.31. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of this stock with you. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Additionally, we're curious about your target for this stock. Share it with us in the comments as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.